Hello guys, I am Bora. Welcome to Educrypt Learning. Today we are going to discuss about one of the most important and responsible topic of 21st century, global warming and its impact in modern days. If you like our videos, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and join our Telegram channel Educrypt Learning for the PDF. So let's go to the introductory part. Global warming is the increase of Earth's average surface temperature. What do you mean by Earth's average surface? The surface area of a solid object is a measure of the total area that the surface of the object occupies. Again, average temperature have rose by 0.75 degrees Celsius over the last 100 years. About 2/3 of increase in temperature has occurred since 1975. Just think, 1975, today 2021 we stand. Global warming results in the phenomena called greenhouse effect. Surface of the earth heats up, that is natural greenhouse effect. But industrial revolution, burning fossil fuel, running big industries affected the natural greenhouse with the increase of greenhouse gases. So, যেতিয়া আমি যিকোনো প্লান্টেশ্যন চাওঁ খেতিত তাত এটা গ্ৰীণ কালাৰ ঘৰ বনাই থোৱা হয় আৰু সেইটোকে কয় গ্ৰীণ হাউচ. চ' এই গ্ৰীণ হাউচটো কি হয়, যেতিয়া ছানৰ পৰা লাইট আহে লগত হিট আহে সেই ঘৰটোৰ ভিতৰত সোমাওঁতে সেই বস্তুটো কণ্ট্ৰলড হৈ সোমায়, কণ্ট্ৰল লাইট এণ্ড কণ্ট্ৰল হিট. তেনেকেই আমাৰ পৃথিৱীখনত যেতিয়া সূৰ্যৰ পোহৰ আৰু হিট আহে আমাৰ এটমছফিয়াৰিক লেয়াৰ যোনকেইটা আছে এটমছফিয়াৰিক লেয়াৰকেইটাই কণ্ট্ৰল কৰে হিট আৰু লাইটটো. এতিয়া বৰ্তমান কি হৈছে, যিহেতু গ্ৰীণ হাউচ গেছেছবিলাক বাঢ়ি গৈছে সেই হিটটো বাহিৰলৈ যাবলৈ পৰা নাই, এটমছফিয়াৰিক লেয়াৰটো বাহিৰত যাবলৈ পৰা নাই, যি কাৰণে আমাৰ পৃথিৱীখন গৰম হৈ গৈছে আৰু হেতুকে আমি কওঁ গ্লোবেল ওয়াৰ্মিং. সো নাও লেটস মুভ টু দ্য নেক্সট স্লাইড. So let us discuss the flowchart diagram. Increased greenhouse gases leads to increasing radiative forcing. So what is increasing radiative forcing? আমি জানো transfer of heat happens through three processes: conduction, convection and radiation. So it is radiative forcing, that is global warming, and it leads to the heating of the surface of the earth, and this results in increase in temperature. At the same time, evaporation due to increase in temperature. This affects atmospheric water holding capacity, increase in atmospheric moisture content. So what is atmospheric water holding capacity? The water holding capacity of air depends solely on the air's temperature. Increased heat leads to greater evaporation and thus surface dries. Atmospheric moisture is expressed as clouds, precipitation, storms, weather, fronts and other phenomena. The water vapor content of the atmosphere varies from place to place and from time to time because the humidity capacity of air is determined by the temperature. As there is increase in temperature, so it affects the atmospheric moisture content. গৰম দিনত হিউমিডিটি বেছি হয়, গৰম দিনত কাপোৰ আমি ধুই পেলাই যেতিয়া ৰ'দত দিওঁ গৰম দিনত কাপোৰটো জলদি নুশুকায়. কেলে নুশুকায়? কাৰণ এয়াৰত মইশ্চাৰ কণ্টেণ্টটো বেছি থাকে, কিন্তু ঠাণ্ডা দিনত যেতিয়া আমি কাপোৰটো ধুই শুকুৱাওঁ কাপোৰটো জলদি শুকাই যায়. কেলে? এয়াৰত মইশ্চাৰ কণ্টেণ্টটো কম থাকে, হিউমিডিটি কম থাকে. চ' দ্য এয়াৰ ইজ ড্ৰাই, সেইটো কাৰণে কাপোৰটো জলদি শুকাই যায়. Enhanced precipitation rates. Continuous condensation in free air helps condensed particles to grow. When the resistance of the air fails to hold them against the force of gravity, they fall onto the earth's surface and increase precipitation rates. So let us move to the next slide. The American picker, you can check him in the first image. They have moved to higher altitudes to find tolerable alpine temperature. So what is alpine temperature? Alpine climate is highland climate, the temperature in Himalayas. तो क्या होता है हिमालयस पे? ठंडा ठंडा, cool cool. But some smaller organisms like American picker, they cannot thermoregulate in extreme cold. So they, because of the heating, they have moved to higher altitudes because of the more heat. But they cannot thermoregulate in extreme cold temperature. 16% of the world's coral reefs were wiped out due to seawater temperature. Warmth of seawater temperature, because the warmth of seawater have increased, so coral reefs have been wiped out. Coral reefs, what are coral reefs? Coral reefs are the colonies of tiny living organisms under the ocean. The climatic conditions affect the coral reefs. So let us come to the golden toad. Golden toad are going extinct as a result of global warming, which induce or succeed temperature, which leads to the growth of fungus in the amphibian's habitat. So growth of fungus in the amphibian's habitat has made the amphibian extinct. Early bud break affects the harvest. So what is bud break? Bud break means the leaves fall out too early or too late, which affects the harvest. Genetics and climate change is an important topic for competitive exams. Impact on plant and animals. Population of polar bears are decreasing in Arctic Sea due to the melting of ice for increase in temperature. Melting of ice is one of the reasons of rising sea level, and this affects sea turtles' nest or egg laying areas. Wildfire due to increase of temperature. Potato production decline in West Bengal. Why? Because of unfavorable weather conditions. The tea crop of India have showed a decrease in yield with increase in temperature and decrease in rainfall. Shift in apple cultivation to higher elevation because of global warming. Coral reefs are the colonies of living organisms under the ocean. We have alpine climate present in the Himalayas. We have discussed this before. I have told alpine climate is highland climate that is present in the Tibetan Plateau, the Alps and the Himalayas. In India, there is a huge population of coral reefs. In our nation, we can find coral reefs. There is a huge population in locations like Palk Bay, Gulf of Munnar, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, the Gulf of Kutch and Lakshadweep Islands. So this image you can check. This image is the coral reefs. This image is the coral reefs, and you can see you can check the map of the nation. So over there you can locate different places like Gulf of Kutch, then Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Lakshadweep Islands, etc. So these things, location of these places are very important for competitive exams. You have to check out this and have an insight on this. Thank you, and please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel, and you can join us on Facebook, Telegram, and you can mail us. And for the PDF, please join Telegram and subscribe our channel. Thank you.